Kanyo mag aput ma meeting mar nono yore mag bero sekta mar obila koro chamo muma mar apisi kawuono. Ogai mar doho Justice Martha Koome emotele nyasino mar chamo muma. Mane en ogai mar doho e kinde mokalo David Maraga ema biro telone apudno keseche ogogo komishona magen jokanye duol mochung' ne pok mar omenda ma ichwalo ne loch gwenge bende ne opodhi kawuono.
With the members of the task force having been sworn in, the task force is now ready to formally commence its operations, as outlined in the Gazette notice by the President. This morning, we have had preliminary discussions with the Cabinet Secretary and the Principal Secretary in the Ministry of Interior ahead of this swearing in. And during that meeting, we had some reflections on the task ahead of us and the expectations of the two institutions. It is clear to the entire membership of the task force that the task ahead of us is a critical one that needs all our effort. So it is our hope as a task force that the deliverables from this assignment will form the basis and the impetus for the current administration to implement its commitments to the stated police and the prison reform. We shall be sharing with the members of the public and the stakeholders a schedule of our planned activities and look forward to their inputs and the views as we undertake the assignment.
I therefore urge you, honorable members of the task force, to work towards the realization of our constitutional dream of a democratic policing and a prison service that pursues the constitutional goal of reformation and rehabilitation of our offenders. The offenders are also Kenyans. This is the Kenyan dream for a police service and prison service that serves the people and upholds utmost professionalism.